scammers. I don't like these guys. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about a type of person that you're going to run into if you sell online. Doesn't matter whether you sell on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon. It doesn't matter. You're going to run into this individual. They're called scammers. Okay, nobody likes them, but it's a reality. They're out there. And I want to share an experience with you that I had recently on eBay where I ran into a scammer and how I dealt with it and what I did to prevent this person or persons like this from, scamming me again. Okay. A couple of months ago, I was, listing one of my more valuable postcards. This was what they call a real photo postcard. It's actually a photograph taken from that time period and slapped on some cardstock and made a, postcard into it. That's what they do. And these are the types of postcards that are very valuable. Okay. These are the ones that sell for the higher dollar amounts. Well, with me selling postcards, I came across this one in a lot that I purchased, and it was probably postmarked about 1903, somewhere in there, right around the turn of the century. And so I put it up on eBay. I listed it for $73.25. Now, I'm not kidding you guys. As soon as it went live, like within 5 minutes after it going live, I heard a cha-ching on my phone. All right. That's a sound notification you can put on your phone. That way, every time you make a sale or get an offer, you get notified. So I looked at my phone and I noticed that it was an offer. I'm like, okay. So I checked out this guy's offer. He offered me $73 even. Now, to an inexperienced eBay seller, you might think, hey, that's a great deal. I'm going to jump on that. But you know what? Don't be fooled. Okay, let me explain why. Normally on eBay, when people make you offers, they normally make you offers about 10 to 30% off your full asking price. Whatever you're asking, it's usually 10 to 30% lower. Sometimes a little more, but most of the time the average is about 10 to 30%. Okay, this guy offered me 25 cents less because I guess he thought I was an inexperienced eBayer, eBay seller. And the reason I think he thought that is because this particular account, was only a couple of months old. Now, I've been on eBay since 2002. I'm very experienced, but this is my second account that I just opened, and I opened it a couple of months ago, and it only had a feedback rating of about 20 feedback. My other one has a feedback of almost 900, but this one has a feedback rating of 20. So I think that's why he went after me. He targeted me. Okay. Now let me point something out. He didn't target me personally. Okay. They could care less who you are. Okay. Some people think it's personal. Like, why are they coming after me? But it's not personal. Okay. What they're after is your money. Okay. That's all they care about. They don't care if you're 18 or 80. They want your money. So I looked at this offer and it was for $73. Well, that was red flag number one. Now, red flag number two, this is one you need to pay attention to because this is a pattern with scammers. What they did was, what eBay allows is they allow a buyer or a potential buyer to leave a note in the offer. They make you an offer for so much money and then they leave you a little note if they need to communicate with you further. Well, when you see this kind of a note, 99.9% of the time, it's a scam, okay? And the notes will say something like, I'm really interested in this item. Could you text me to this number? And they'll give you a phone number to text them to, so we can complete the transaction. Guys, don't fall for this, okay? What they're trying to do is, one, it's against eBay policy. And two, they're trying to get you to take the transaction off of eBay so they can scam you. Okay, so you're not under the seller protection anymore. You take the transaction off eBay, that nullifies the seller protection right there. You'll lose every time with eBay on that. So don't do that. Okay, so whenever you see a message where they want you to text them to a certain number, that's 99% of the time a scam. So I said, okay, we got a scammer here. He's trying to pull one over on me. And so I did a little bit more digging. Okay, what I did was I looked up the phone number, the area code of the phone number. And you can do this too. I Googled the area code. I said, where is this area code located? And I found out it was a US based area code based out of Tampa, Florida. So I said, okay, this guy's trying to be really sneaky. He knows I'm in the US, so he's giving me a US based phone number. So I'll trust him. Okay, but the thing is, it was out of Tampa, Florida. And I did a little more digging on top of that. I went to his actual page. Now, on every eBay page, this is required by eBay, I believe, unless they've changed the rule. When you open a new account, and this guy opened a brand new account. I mean, I looked at this guy's account, and it was like 2 days old, had no transactions, no sales, no comments, all zeros. I mean, it was an account he obviously set up to scam people. So I looked at this guy's account, and on each account, when you set up a new account on eBay, you have to, it's mandatory, I believe, you have to put your place of origin, where you're operating out of. Like for me, it's Florence, Oregon. That's what it'll say on my page. I don't know the exact verbiage right offhand, but it'll say something like lives in Florence, Oregon, or operates out of Florence, Oregon, or something like that. So I looked at this guy's page, and get this, guys. You're going to laugh. This guy was based in Belgium. Okay. He's wanting me to text him to a Florida-based number, and he's operating out of Belgium. Red flag number 3. This convinced me this guy was a scammer. Now, keep in mind, I have not accepted this guy's offer. Okay. Now, here's a 2-step formula that I did that you can do. That you can actually, it will help you not get scammed, okay? And you have to do it in this exact order, because if you don't do it, if you do it in the reverse order, you could run into trouble. What you do first, number 1, is you block him, okay? There is a place on eBay where you can block buyers or bidders or whatever. Okay, if you don't know where that is, just go to the top of the page, any eBay page, under the help section. There's a little field up there where you can ask for help, and then just type in the word block, and it'll take you right to the page where you can go there. And all you have to do is, it's real easy. All you have to do is put in the person's user ID, their eBay user ID, and then hit save, and that's it. They're blocked. Now, if they try to buy anything off you, I don't know the exact verbiage, but eBay will send them something that says, this buyer has blocked you, or you have been blocked, or something like that. By the way, if you happen to know that verbiage, put it in the comments, because I'd like to know how eBay replies to them. But anyway, they're blocked. Okay. And then once you've blocked them first, then decline the offer. Okay. Because if you do it the other way around, if you decline the offer first, they could come back 30 seconds later while you're trying to figure out how to block this person. They could come back within that time frame and then just buy something off you. And then you're going to have to cancel the transaction, and you have to go through all that mess with eBay. Don't do that. What you want to do is block them first and then decline the offer. And that's exactly what I did. And of course, I haven't heard from him since. Okay? So hopefully that helps. That will help you from getting scammed. If you see those things, you're dealing with a scammer. Don't panic, okay? If they happen to buy something off you and you detect that it's a scammer, go through the same process. Block them first and then just cancel the transaction, okay? But anyway, hope that helps. Hate to see you get scammed. Nobody likes it, but it's going to happen. Believe me, especially if you're new to eBay or any other platform you're on, you're going to get scammed. These people are going to target you, but don't panic. Like I said, if you do these steps, you'll have a good chance of beating the scammer at their own game. Listen, I got to go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.